There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I
Okay, so let's start with combing out the hair for easy walking. So I'm going to be doing a block shape pattern. Okay, so and I'm going to be doing it down knotless. So I have cut out and apply hair gel to my roots, and I'm braiding out for my knotless. So I'm starting my knotless right now in case you want to learn how to do a knotless. Okay, so this is what or how I do my knotless braid. So if you're interested, you should watch closely to see how I attach the attachment, where I place it, how I pick it, and how I go over it. Okay, so I'm going to be braiding this hair to the exact length of this hair. Okay, I'm going to be stopping where the hair stops so that it's gonna stay together. All right, so and when I get to that place, I'm just gonna tie that place and leave it. And let me emphasize on this coils. If you want to achieve a beautiful bouncing coils, there are things you need to take note or focus on this particular hair. Number one is that you have to make sure the attachment is free from any form of dangling. So, and whenever you braid anyone and it has any form of tangle, you just have to use your comb and comb it out so that it can be free. Number two is you have to twist very tight, and the twist should be beautiful as well, because it's the twist that will give that very coil. So what you give in is what you're gonna get out. Okay, so if you're able to twist beautifully tightly, you're gonna get a nice watermelon coils. Okay, if that's the right word. And hey guys, thank you for stopping by. If you see me for the first time, hi, meet me. I am Enetina, and please don't forget to subscribe. We do different kind of tutorial on this channel, so please subscribe so we grow together on this journey. So as you can see, I've as well done this very knotless, and I'm braiding out. I'm still gonna do the same process I did in the previous one. When I get to where the hair length stops, I'm just gonna tie. Okay, so I tie, and so you can see that this one is tangled, so I use my touching comb to comb it out to make it smooth. And now watch where I start my twisting from, because like I said, everything for this twist, for this coil, is about how you do it. Can you see where I started my twisting from? Okay, but definitely the coils is not going to start from there. The coil is going to start from the exact place that I stopped with the braiding. All right, so as you can see, I'm doing my twist. You can see that my twist is quite tight. I'm doing it tight so that my coils is gonna pop. Okay, so I've done other ones off camera. I got to this point for us to try one more again. Okay, so I'm starting again with knotless. I'm gonna do it just like I did the previous one. Okay, so if you didn't follow up, you have to follow up from here. That's why I'm doing this very one again. So let's keep it going.
that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would, I would, I would, I would. Wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would, I would, I would, I would.
Hope you're
We
doing
talk on the
so
phone
as you can see right now,
every
I've done
night.
the first one.
Love to hear your voice.
So for this,
Not sleeping well.
you should know that it takes two.
And I know that you're right, but you should know it.
One.
You've been gone for way too long now.
So
If I can lay down beside you, I would, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing.
So right now,
Even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I can lay down beside you, I
so
would,
let's
I
move it from
would.
there. Watch
When nothing really matters, that's all I
save
wanna
our time.
do.
I'm not gonna be doing
I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would, I would. If I can lay down beside you, I would, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would, I would, I would, I would. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would.
Can you see? Can still do this as a style, you know. It's still beautiful. Can still give it like this as a style. It's still beautiful. Okay, but this is not what we want to do today, right? So I'm gonna do this one more again, so you can see how I twist and where I twist from, where I started my twist. Where you start to twist is very important because that's where that coil is going to start from. So right now I'm using some hot water to soften and balance the braid, and now we are losing it. As you can see, we are losing back the twist to get our coils. So this is it. This is our coils. It is watermelon. Yeah, can you see that? Check it out. So after that, I'm going to apply gel to it to stick, like to make the coils hold together without scattering. You can use hair wax for this process. You can as well use hair hold for this process. You can use some gel, hair gel for this, anything to hold the coils together. And this is it. Can you see it's popping? Oh, thank you for watching. See you on my next video.